The Biden administration announced the first 10 prescription drugs that will be up for Medicare price negotiations starting in 2026. U.S. Senator Amy Klobuchar of Minnesota is in support of the new legislation, which will lift the 20-year ban on Medicare to negotiate lower drug prices for seniors. Tonight, KIMT News 3 Sananda McCall joined a virtual conference with the Congresswoman. Sananda joins us now with what she learned.
Yeah, Tyler, well, right now I am standing outside of Walgreens. They just actually cut their light off. But as we know, this is a popular spot to come pick up your prescription drugs. Now, Senator Amy Klobuchar also says that seniors even deserve to get the same rights as veterans, as well as DOD, Department of Defense, and then also just private entities to be able to afford health care as well as prescriptions. Now, prescription drug prices in the U.S. are more than 250% higher than other competing countries. The 25 brand name products that Medicare spends the most on have also tripled in average costs and have become hard to afford for nearly 50 million seniors. Klobuchar says 3 ways to get a handle of this legislation is to pass laws that keep major pharmaceutical companies from paying off generic brands, as well as slowing down imports of prescription drugs and keeping the companies from product hopping based on minor changes. She speaks more on how the new legislation is already helping people in Minnesota.
This new policy has already lowered the cost of daily living for over 27,000 Minnesotans, and we're continuing to work on a bill to cap insulin costs for everyone, not just seniors, but as I know, 3 companies have already said they're going to do it voluntarily.
Now, Senator Klobuchar also says, of course, this policy isn't going to come easy. There's already 8 major corporations with lawsuits against the negotiations. However, she says she does feel the legislation will prevail with support from the Biden administration, as well as organizations like AARP. Live in Rochester, Sananda McCall, KIMT News 3.
Sananda, thank you so much. Now, some of the drugs on that list include Stellaro, Xarelto, as well as Jardiance.